On Wednesday, NYSE listed PHINIA held its investor day right here at the stock exchange. The company, which manufactures fuel systems, electrical systems, and aftermarket solutions, laid out its strategic vision and latest technological advancements. Now, joining me now is PHINIA CEO and President Brady Ericson. Brady, how you doing? Thanks so much for coming on this morning.
Great, thanks, Lance. Really appreciate the time.
So Brady, first and foremost, just break it down for me big picture, right? What were the biggest takeaways from yesterday's Investor Day?
I think a lot of it is we laid out a few years ago our strategy to continue to diversify our business into off-highway, industrial, commercial vehicle, and aftermarket. And we really executed on that the last few years. And I think we shared that again with them this last Investor Day, and they've seen the progress that we've made in expanding into off-highway, industrial, and other markets, including aerospace and defense and power generation. That now makes up just over 6% of our revenues, and it's our fastest growing segment. I think some other key themes they took away was the fact that a lot of our manufacturing processes are proprietary and really differentiate us and create a nice competitive position for us that we can provide really detailed and sub-micron level machining components and systems for our customers that many other people can't provide.
So speak more to really like the secret sauce, right? Give us the inside scoop. How are you driving growth across different sectors, right? Take our viewers through some of your strategies to make that happen.
I think the one thing is we've got a lot of wonderful capabilities, and there's a lot of intellectual property that protects us, both from a technology side and from a manufacturing side. We've also got a great global footprint, and so we design, develop, produce, source, and supply our customers within region. So we have a great customer intimacy with them, so we've got a large global footprint to support them. And again, in many ways, we're just being a consistent supplier for them. I think we saw a lot of our competitors exit this space in the combustion side, and we're seeing a lot of customers come to us because they know that we've got the capability and they know that we're committed to being in this space and supporting their needs for the long term.
So PHINIA has solutions across industries, right, ranging from agriculture, aerospace, and defense. How do you and your team hedge against sector disruptions? Because disruptions are out there and you need to make sure you're successful even with them coming.
Yeah, I mean, from our standpoint, it's because of the diversity of our customer base, the diversity of the regions, the products that we have, as well as the industries that we serve. There's no one industry or one region that really defines us. And so when people talk about, Europe being down in commercial vehicle or light vehicle being up, it's relatively a small portion of our business. And that's why we really feel that we're more of a diversified industrial, a GDP plus type grower. We're gaining market share. We have a very large addressable market to go after, and we're going to be very financially disciplined in how we manage our business, and we'll continue to grow on a steady basis through this decade and beyond.
So now take us through some case studies about how PHINIA is producing clients with practical solutions, right? Take us through some real life examples of how you're helping these clients.
Sure. I mean, what we've announced even with Investor Day yesterday, we're taking a lot of our legacy technology, whether it's on gasoline direct injection for light vehicles or even light diesel, and we're using that same technology to go into different markets. And so we now just announced, 3 new programs in India for compressed natural gas to help customers reduce their overall CO2. We're working in Brazil with heated tip injectors so they can use 100% ethanol in their vehicles. Some of pretty much about 89% of our R&D effort is focused on improving the efficiency of our products to market leading levels, as well as alternative fuels. And so we've got a lot of these technologies really coming out with them to really help them improve emissions, reduce CO2, and also improve the longevity of the product.
Brady Ericson, CEO and President of PHINIA. Brady, thanks so much for joining us this morning.
All right, thank you much, Lance. Have a great day.
So in just